Hi guys, welcome to another powerful Pandas tutorial.
Today we are going to see a very important library in Python and it's called Pandas. So have you ever tried dealing with messy Excel files and spending hours and hours copying and pasting data? So there's a faster way and smarter way, I would say, and it's called Pandas. So in this video I'll teach you the basics of Pandas in just few minutes so you can clean, analyze and manipulate data like a pro. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be handling the data faster than ever before. What exactly is the Pandas? Pandas is a powerful Python library used for data analysis and manipulation. So think it as a Excel on steroids, but inside Python only. Alright, let's get started by installing Pandas. If you haven't started already, open your terminal and or a command prompt and type this command. So I have opened Jupyter notebook here. So I have this command pip install. So whenever we need to install any library, we use this command in Python. So pip install pandas and it will take a time. Yeah, that's it. Now you have installed pandas successfully. Let's move to the real magic. Data frames and series. These are two essential parts of pandas library. So a series is nothing but a single column, whereas data frame is nothing but a whole table. We'll create one series and series using pandas. So you can import the pandas alias as PD. It's a universal alias we can use with pandas. So you can import pandas. So and now we can create one series and we can pass a list of values in that series in that particular column. So let's suppose 20, 30, and 40. So I have passed these four values inside that column and that column name is data. Okay. Sorry, I need to close this. Okay, so we have created this. Yeah. So always remember Python is a case sensitive language. So you always use the capital S while typing this series. So if I print this data, as you can see, we have these four values in this column, and this is a indexing. It's a default indexing given by pandas. Okay, so this is a series, and we can create a table or a data frame using dictionaries in Python. So I'll quickly show you. So I have this dictionary. Let me just copy and paste the dictionary here. So we can create a data frame using the dictionary. So I've just pasted the dictionary here. So we have this dictionary and we can pass that dictionary to create a data frame. So I'll take a variable called df, and for creating data frame we can use pd dot data frame. Again, d is capital for data frame, and f also is capital. Okay, sorry, data frame, and we have to pass the data dictionary here. And now if I show you the data frame df, as you can see, we have the column names as name, age, and salary, and their respective values, whatever we have passed in the list form. So, John, Bob, and Max, these are three different names that we have, and this table has been created. But what if we already have a data in CSVs or Excel files? That is not a problem. We can also load the data from external files like CSVs, Excels, JSON files, or sometimes we can also load data from the database as well. So to load that, I don't have any CSV files yet, but I'll show you the method that we can use to load the data, external data. Okay, so pd.read csv, and here we are passing the path of that particular file. So let's suppose C and have that particular path where I have stored the data frame. Oh, sorry, that XCSV file. Okay, maybe C slash Venki slash the data.csv. We can pass that file path here, and simply we can load that whole data into data frame using this command. Okay, so currently I don't have any CSV file, so I'm not loading that data. But yes, you can do that. Now you can, so let's suppose you have 1,000 of records in your CSV file. You only want to see only 5 records. So you can do that using the function called head. Function called head. Okay, so and we can also pass the number of records that we want to see in that particular data frame. So if I load this df.head and I just want to see first 2 records, then it will only show me the first 2 records. Similarly, we can also look for the uh, few last records from the dataset. So I can pass df.tell and I just want to see one record, the last record. So as you can see, we have the max as a last record tell, or we can again we can see multiple records as well. But by default it will take only 5 records. So if I haven't passed any argument here, it will eventually take five last 5 records, or and head takes first 5 records. Now we can select a particular column from the data frame. So if I only want to look for this name column, then I can pass df of that name column. If I run this, so I can see only 3 different records from that name column. If I pass age, then I can see the age, different ages, right? What if we want to look for any particular row? So let's suppose I want to see what record is present on that second row. Okay, second row, which means third row, because the indexing start from 0. So we can do that by passing the ilog function. So we have ilog, and here we can pass which row we want to see. So let's suppose I have passed the df.ilog, it's a location indexing, so we are passing the indexing of location, and we are passing 1. Okay, so it will fetch the that particular record, and which is the Bob is the name, whose age is 30 and salary is 60,000. So as you can see on the first line we have the record of Bob. So I hope it's clear to you.